Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jake Little and I'm a marketing student in TU Dublin. So in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to set up a Facebook business page. So firstly you'd want to make a Facebook profile, so just your regular profile, just sign in. And this is how you do it on desktop. So once you have your account set up, so your profile is set up here, and you can see I'm just signed in under my name, and then once you're here you just click on create. So you go to create and click on page. And then here you go. So you put in your name of the page you're looking to create. So let's just say JL graphic design. And then underneath that you put your category. So obviously for this it's a graphic design business, so you just put in graphic designer and it'll pop up here. And then here in your description you just write a short little explanation of what the actual business is. So it's up to 255 characters, and then just make sure you write a small little summary of what the business actually does. And once you've done that, you hit create page. Once you've hit create page, it will take a second to load, but then once it's finished loading, it'll give you these options here. So you can add a profile picture, so that can be just a picture of your face or a picture of your company's logo, and then a cover photo. Just in the cover photo, you could just have a little bit more of an explanation or just show exactly what the business does. And then once you add both of them, you just press save. And then that's it. So once you've hit save, your account comes up here, and then that's it. So you can create a post and start promoting the business itself. And then once you've created a few posts, you can use Facebook ads to promote the actual brand or the actual business. And that's it. So that's pretty straightforward. That's all you have to do to set up a page. And that's it for now. Thank you.